Hello guys and welcome back to my channel The Technical Unboxer. So today I'm going to set up Windows 10 on my laptop. So first you have to start with selecting a region. The region selection customizes your application and language and other preferences. So I live in India, so I'm gonna search for India and select that, and after selecting that India, you have to press the yes button after that beside the screen. So here is India and I selected the yes button. So you have to just wait, and here is the keyboard layout option, so you can choose whatever keyboard layout you like. I will choose US or English India, so I like the US one better, so I chose that US one. You can skip the second one because it tells you to select another keyboard layout if you want. Then you have to connect with your internet because it needs to download some application, and if any update is available then it will provide you that update. So let me connect my Wi-Fi with the laptop. Here I've connected my Wi-Fi. So after connecting it, please click the next button, and after that you have to wait for some time, and then you will get the next option. After loading it, here the license agreement skin comes. So here you can see the license and all the permissions, and then you have to, after seeing this all, I'm going to the back bottom of the license agreement to see, and after seeing it you can click the accept button to accept it, and then you will be redirected to the next option. So after waiting, here the screen will come where you can add your account. Here I am adding my account. So before this, yeah, if you have any Windows account created, then you can log in with that, or if you don't have, then you have to create it, and then you have to create a pin for opening your laptop, like the password, like the way you open your phone. Here you cannot enter any pattern, but yeah, you have the pin option. So here I'm selecting my pin for my and you can include letter and symbol also. For that you have to select the option given below. So here I am selecting an option and I'm creating a pin for my laptop. So I've created it, and again a loading screen came. Let's wait for the next option. So again we got another option where Microsoft Edge is asking for the access of your recent browsing data. If you want, you can accept this, or else you can skip this because it's the privacy matter, so it's the user's choice about what they will do. So I'm not accepting this, I'm just skipping it. So let's wait for the next option after this. So shortly after this we got another options for the privacy setting. You can read the options and you can select it as per your convenient. I suggest you to turn off the advertising ID and the diagnostic data because this sends the because it causes the advertisers meant to come to your Microsoft Edge or any other application which can disturb you. So I'm not selecting that, I'm deselecting it, and I'm going to the next option. So let's wait for the next option, and here the next option is you can customize your laptop as per your preference, like for what purpose you are using. Like if you are using for school or gaming or entertainment, I am using for both of the options, so I'm just selecting that. And yeah, I sometimes watch movies, so I'm selecting that also. You can also so you have multiple choices for that, and then you can connect your Android phone with a PC with the new phone link app. I didn't use this option because after opening the laptop you can then also select the option and can run that. So I tried connecting it, but it didn't connect it, so I just skipped it by clicking the remind me later option. So after waiting a little bit, we get to the next option, that is if I have the Microsoft 365. So that free option is not completely free. You can get free for some months, then after that to pay. And here the Cortana, you can give the Cortana access. For by this you can, it's like the Google Assistant on your phone, but it's for computer. There it has Cortana. So I've accepted this as it is very much useful for your day-to-day task and everything. So let's wait for the next option. So I think the setup process came to an end, and here the high, and after that this gives the option that they will get everything ready, like the applications and the settings as per your choice. So it will take us several minutes, so let's wait for that. So here this setup is finished and it gives almost there option, and here's your laptop freshly new and smooth. So after this you can set up your application and choices. So if you like this video, then please do like, subscribe and follow our channel for more tech tips and tricks. So here's the Lenovo's laptop where I set up this options. So if you just like this video, then please leave a like. Bye bye.